Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 10s, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notification panel and look for the Do Not Disturb mode toggle, which for me is right over here. So once you find it, you can either tap on it to turn it on immediately with whatever the default parameters are, or you can also hold it. This will take you to the settings where you can customize it. So let's select bottom, Do Not Disturb mode. You want to click on it. Actually, no, there we go. So once you actually get down, you actually have the couple of settings right here. So we have the notify about repeated callers. This will allow people to actually reach you during the Do Not Disturb mode if they call twice within a 15-minute period. Then we have notify about callers, so that gives you an option who can actually call you during this mode. So you have anyone, no one, contacts, and favorites. And then when devices are locked, meaning the Do Not Disturb mode will function only when the device is locked, not when it's unlocked. Scheduled turn on time will allow you to set up a basically schedule to it. Now, not much settings visible right here, so just choose whichever one you want. And from there, you can turn it on either by tapping it right over here or by tapping on the toggle right here, which if you tap on it right now, it will disable it, like so. So that is how you would enable, disable it, set it up, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.